Hey everyone, welcome back. If SHEIN gets stuck on loading screen, it usually means that the app cannot connect properly. First, make sure that your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're not able to do so, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Next, what you're going to do is swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for SHEIN and swipe it away. Then wait for a few seconds, then reopen it. After that, go ahead and turn your airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your phone and try again. If the issue continues, reinstall the app, long press on the SHEIN app icon, then click remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for SHEIN and then reinstall it. If the issue continues, reinstall and then log in. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.